Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday afternoon, July 31st, 2024, and we have a great mix of environmental and energy headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline. 3 key moves uniquely position Atlas Lithium for potential success in rapidly expanding lithium market. Atlas Lithium, a serious contender in the growing lithium market, has made 3 key moves to position itself for success. First, the company has doubled its lithium exploration footprint in Brazil, uncovering new promising regions rich in lithium deposits. Second, Atlas Lithium secured a $30 million strategic investment from Mitsui, ensuring steady demand for its environmentally sustainable lithium concentrate. Lastly, the appointment of renowned lithium executive Brian Talbot as COO brings over 30 years of experience to the leadership team, enhancing operational excellence and strategic insight. These strategic initiatives uniquely position Atlas Lithium to thrive in the rapidly expanding lithium market, projected to grow at a CAGR of 17.7% from 2024 to 2030. With a focus on sustainability and cutting-edge technologies, Atlas Lithium is poised to meet the increasing demand for lithium while minimizing its ecological footprint.
U.S. Graphite One secures Lucid Motors supply agreement. Graphite One, Inc. has secured a non-binding supply agreement with Lucid Group, Inc. for anode active materials, marking a significant milestone for both companies. Lucid, known for its advanced electric vehicles, will benefit from a domestic U.S. supply chain developed by Graphite One. This collaboration represents the first synthetic graphite supply agreement between a U.S. graphite developer and a U.S. EV company. With this agreement, Graphite One is on track to generate revenue in 2027, paving the way for a secure 100% U.S.-based supply chain for graphite materials. Stay tuned as Graphite One continues to meet market demands and drive innovation in the industry.
HondoGO continues rapid expansion with senior Tesla hires. HondoGO announces strategic senior hires as it rapidly expands its electric vehicle infrastructure. The company takes a unique approach to building its fast charger network through partnerships with site owners and capital providers. With the EV industry growing and maturing, HondoGO aims to bridge the gap in energy infrastructure. The new hires, including former Tesla Supercharger team members, bring expertise in fast charger technology. This team will drive HondoGo's growth and set new industry standards. As Tesla steps back from DC fast charger expansion, HondoGo is ready to take the lead in building a profitable and sustainable network. The company focuses on innovating for tomorrow's energy infrastructure. For more information, visit hondogo.com.
How copper's growing demand is creating newfound value for mining firms. As the global demand for electricity grows and new energy sources are rapidly developed, the need for copper is increasing, presenting a potential investment opportunity for mining firms. Copper's exceptional electrical conductivity and energy efficiency make it crucial for energy transmission, especially in sustainable sources like solar and wind power. With copper prices surpassing $10,000 per ton, mining companies are capitalizing on the heightened demand from the electric vehicle and power sectors. However, the long cycle of copper production may pose challenges in meeting the ambitious clean energy goals set by major economies. Sprott suggests that copper may be entering a supercycle, benefiting companies capable of supplying copper to the market. The Sprott Copper Miners ETF and Sprott Junior Copper Miners ETF offer exposure to companies positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for copper in electrification. Gold price hit yet another all-time high in July. Here's how Austin Gold, NYSE UST, plans to continue to capitalize. The gold price hit another all-time high in July, reaching $2,483.73 amid expectations of lower interest rates. Austin Gold, an OST, controls gold exploration projects in Nevada, a state known for rich gold deposits. The company's shares have risen almost 60% year-to-date, with a market capitalization of just over $15 million. Austin Gold provided an update on its exploration activities, highlighting progress made and future plans. The company is focused on projects like Lone Mountain, which shows potential for large Carlin-type gold deposits. Additionally, Austin Gold renegotiated joint venture terms for the Kelly Creek project in Nevada. The company is fully funded for exploration programs, aiming to capitalize on the current high gold prices and continue its drilling projects. American Battery Materials appoints oilfield drilling executive Chris McClanahan to advisory board. American Battery Materials, Inc. appoints Chris McClanahan, an oilfield drilling executive, to its advisory board. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, Mr. McClanahan's expertise will be valuable as ABM advances its assets in southern Utah. He emphasizes the importance of establishing a reliable domestic supply chain for critical minerals. ABM is focused on direct lithium extraction and supporting the country's energy transition. For more information, visit AmericanBatteryMaterials.com. Forward-looking statements caution about risks and uncertainties. This press release does not constitute an offer to sell securities. For investor relations, contact +1-800-998-7962 or ir@AmericanBatteryMaterials.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.